Hello friends, welcome. My name is Manmat Biradar. Welcome to my channel. And today we are discussing very important chapter. See, today there are lots of institutes in agribusiness. Agribusiness is going to be the number one institutes or number one education with regards to the career, because see, day by day we are in increase in population and we are increasing the food demand. Actually, agribusiness is directly related to the food, and that is why that is very important to discuss the chapter that which are the top 15 institutes of agribusiness management for MBA in India. Actually, there are lots of institutes. There are lots and lots of institute in India, in abroad also. But we are specifically focusing on Indian agribusiness institutes, management courses, MBA colleges, which are there in India. So let's start. Okay. So first we'll see, basically one disclaimer is there. These rankings are on the basis of India Today magazine survey with respect to academics, infrastructure, accommodations, placements, and faculty, and of course some social life. So this is the disclaimer before this video. And now let's start, which are the top 15 institutes, agribusiness management institutes in India. So we will start from top last 15th. So see, you can see on your screen, the 15th is Royal Global University, Guwahati. Actually, it is an institute, Royal Global Institute. It is an institute related to agribusiness management, and it can be, we'll see its website actually, what actually shows, we'll see. So it is an Guwahati based institute, Royal Global University. It is looking better, and see, there are many even graduation courses, post graduation courses are there, and MBA agribusiness management course also is there. So now we'll get towards the 14th agribusiness institute is Sandeep Institute of Technology and Research Center, Nasik. Actually, it is in Nasik, and this institute is also is having a very great campus, and also is providing, is actually Sandeep Foundation, and is providing the agribusiness management education to the students. So this is its website, and it's looking good. So this is 14th. After that we will turn to the 13th. 13th is Institute of Agribusiness Management, Bikaner. It's a Government of India institutes, and one second, and it's related to this ICR institutes. Actually, ICR is providing many more sanctions to agribusiness management institute. See, this is an Institute of Agribusiness Management, Bikaner, and it's a government approved government institute. So it is also looking good. MBA in agribusiness management, PhD in agribusiness management, the campus is also looking good. So this is also good institutes in MBA agribusiness management. Okay. Now we will turn to 13 institutes. 12th institute is Shobit University. Shobit University of School Business Studies, Meerut. Actually, it is an institute. One second. Yes, Shobit Institute of Business Studies. It's situated in Meerut. Uh, And this institute is also providing agribusiness management for its students, and it's looking great campus. So this is coming on 12th. Its website is not opening. Okay, it's opened. Undergraduation programs, this BBA, undergraduate, post graduation, various programs are there. See, if you see MBA program, then here they are providing the MBA in agribusiness management. See, in specialization, MBA in agribusiness management. So there are various institutes. Now we are turning to the 11th Doon Business of Doon Business School, Dehradun. It is also institute agribusiness, providing a good education to agribusiness management. We will go to its website. What it's showing, we will check. What happened? 1 second. Control C. Control V. Yes. See, this is an Dehradun based agribusiness school, and this is also providing a good campus and good agribusiness education. So this is providing MBA in agribusiness management. Yes, so this is its website. After that, these are the 11 to 15, means 5 last institutes. After that, we will turn to 6 to 10 or 10 to 6, like that. So the 10th institute providing MBA in agribusiness management is MIT College of Management, Mitcon Kothurud, Pune. This is an institute which is situated in Pune, and this is also very good business management institute providing education. 1 second, we will visit its website, what it says. So this is an MIT University College of Management. It is in Pune based institute. This is an looking good campus, developing business consortium future, and this is also providing good business management, agribusiness management institutes. So this is an MIT, this is an 10th top institutes. Now the 9th, we'll turn to the 9th. You may be knowing this. This is very good business institute. Actually, VAMNICOM, it is called VAMNICOM, Vaikunt Mehta National Institute of Cooperative Management. It is also situated in Pune, and it is a very good institute and having a good campus. So this is very situated at the very good place in Pune, and of course this is a very good institute, and this institute is actually government based. Many government trainings are also going on here. So this is a good institutes. So this is 9th. After that, we will turn to 8th. This is also an Pune based institute, Symbiosis Institute. As Symbiosis is a basically management institute. It's also providing the agribusiness school program, agribusiness management program. Its campus is situated in Pune. I think it's on the way to Bombay Pune Expressway, and so this is an institute. Its campus also good, and this also providing agribusiness management as its course. Okay, so now the seventh institute is National Institute of Agriculture, NARM. It is managed, or you can call NAM. It is an Hyderabad based institute. This is a very good institute, and it's a government institute. It's providing good education, quality education for agribusiness management. So this is in the site of Manage, Hyderabad, and it's also providing uh, good agribusiness management institute. They are actually focused on very targeted agribusiness courses, and this institute is actually dedicated for agribusiness management. Very much different types of agribusiness management courses, and all farmer producer company base, and all courses are being taught here. And this is you can say best institute in India for agribusiness management. Okay, so this is manage, and after manage you can this number 6th is Aligarh Muslim University, AMU. It is in Aligarh, so we'll visit its website. What's it saying? So this is an Aligarh Muslim University. It is situated in Aligarh, Uttar Pradesh. Sorry. So this is also providing very good education for agribusiness management. They are providing MBA in agribusiness. So this is its website. Yes. Okay. So you can just visit afterwards. Uh, yes, these are the 10 to 6 ranking. Now we will turn the first 5 institutes, that is the ranking according to the India Today. First 1 to 5 institutes we will turn. The 5th university is University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, Dehradun. Actually this university is also providing a good agribusiness management course, and this university is situated in Dehradun again. University of, yes, UPES, yes, university with purpose, yes. Okay, so this is providing MBA in agribusiness management. Yes, academics, you can check website afterwards. After that maybe, yes, Amite University. This is an Noida based university, Amite University. This is providing a very good agribusiness course, agribusiness MBA course, and this is situated in Noida. This university is a professional university again, and they are providing their agribusiness courses programs in this. You can go to this agribusiness, food and agribusiness, I think agriculture BS programs, if food technology, there are various programs, I think, campuses, infrastructure. So you can just go to this postgraduate PG. If you are going to postgraduate, then they can just provide you the courses what they are actually providing in agribusiness management. So after that, Institute of Management, Banaras, BHU, Banaras Hindu University. This is also providing very good courses in agribusiness management, and this is also very good university. Welcome to Institute of Studies, BHU. And this institute is all providing agribusiness management, even BS agriculture, many more courses with regards to agriculture it is providing. And for MBA batches now, they are providing good this thing. Yes, this is BHU. After that we will turn to the number 2, that is IIT. Actually number 2, it is IIT Lucknow, as you all know, Indian Institute of Management, Lucknow. It's a very good institute, or IIM, and in India many, not only agribusiness but many management, business management courses they are providing, with lots of facilities and quality education they are providing here. Yes, yes, you can just go and check their website afterwards. You can just check the what this is. I think PGABM. This may be, yes, agribusiness management program. Here we are checking admission and all these they have given here. They may be having the admission procedure, so we have to follow that. Okay, so this is IIM Lucknow. After that, the number one institute in agribusiness in India is IIM Ahmedabad, Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. This is also providing very good courses with regards to all business management and also this agribusiness management. So this is number one institute in India with regards to agribusiness management, and this is providing, having a good campus, and also they are providing good placements also. So the admission procedure we have to check. You have to just visit their website and check whatever their procedure is there, and then you have to just programs. If you go here in programs, then there are many more programs in agri. You can see here, 2-year postgraduate food and agribusiness management. Our students are leaders around the globe. See, this is the program with related to agribusiness management, and this looks good. So these are the top 15 agribusiness management institutes in India, friends, and you can just visit to these website. In short, I have told all about these things, so you can just watch later these websites. So once again, thank you for watching this video, and thanks a lot. Keep laughing and keep smiling. Thank you.